In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power steering reservoir on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the cap on the reservoir. I'm going to use a fluid extractor to extract any extra old fluid from the reservoir. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to remove the clamps off the power steering hoses for the reservoir. Pinch them and pull them back. Put a rag under these hoses and we'll pull them off of the reservoir. Remove the hoses off of the power steering reservoir. There's a tab on the bottom of the bracket. We're going to push that in and pull our reservoir straight up. Install the new reservoir. Push down, make sure it clips into place. And we're going to remove the plug and install the hose. Push the hose all the way on and then pull the clamp back into its original position. Do the same thing on the front line. Remove the lid off the reservoir. Using the proper power steering fluid, we're going to fill the power steering reservoir. I'm going to get my reservoir to the max line, and then I'm going to go inside of the car or to the side if the car is jacked up and move the wheels back and forth lock to lock with the car off. We're going to do this until the reservoir drops. Once it drops, we'll refill it and continue that process a few more times until our reservoir does not drop in fluid. We're going to make sure our reservoir is at the cold max line. And install the cap on the reservoir.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.